Nature Conservancy's mission is to conserve lands and water in which all life depends. The lands and the freshwater habitat found on the ranch support a diversity of wildlife such as beaver, moose, owl, sage grouse, and pronghorn. It also supports the lives and the livelihoods of communities such as the ranching families that have worked on the Idaho rangelands for generations. Permanent protection of the ranch helps us carry out our mission and also provides incredible outdoor recreational opportunities such as birding, hiking, biking, and cross-country skiing. It also helps demonstrate that conserving nature for diversity of life can all bring us together in a world where nature and people thrive. The University of Idaho and the Nature Conservancy strive to provide science-based solutions to address the significant challenges across the western rangelands. Our partnership advances our shared goals to protecting the ranch and providing critical research opportunities to help land managers across the West use grazing practices that will benefit people and nature, while also providing incredible outdoor recreational opportunities for the public. The ranch is a great example of the Nature Conservancy's science-based collaborative approach to land management and conservation. Along with partners and the Rinker family, we had a vision to protect the wildlife habitat and opportunities for education. With decades of persistence, efforts, building relationships, and working with the community, that vision was realized with the purchase of the ranch. A huge part of the ranch that makes it so special and important is this collaborative effort. It demonstrates that working together, we can achieve lasting conservation that benefits people and nature. You know, I think the Wood River Valley is just a really unique and special area where there's many partners, public and private, community members that have come together for a common cause that includes education, recreation, working together on this huge collaborative effort for sustainable grazing practices and just being able to enjoy the wide open spaces that we have so close to home here.